Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Matt, your virtual Fiery IQ assistant, and in today's video, we would like to show you how to activate an Insight license and add it to a printer in IQ in an easy, understandable, quick start guide. So, let's get started. First, we will go over activating the Insight license. To activate the license, open Admin Console and select License Manager. Now, on the top left portion of the page, select Activate License. Now enter your Insight license activation code. At this point, clicking the Continue button will activate your LAC for Insight, making it available to be associated with a printer. Next, we will go over how to add the license to a printer. To add the license to a printer, open Admin Console and select License Manager. Click the Manage button located under the IQ for EFI Display Graphics Super Wide Format heading. Select the down arrow to the far right of the license that you wish to assign. Select Assign License to Devices. Then select how to assign this license to a device. In the Assign License window, select the device to which you want the license applied. Then select Assign License. License Manager will now show that the license has a printer assigned to it. And that's how you activate an IQ Insight license and add it to the printer. Thanks for watching.